Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can sort alphabetically in your rows and columns on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, navigate to your document and highlight the range of data you would like to apply the sorting to. Let us go with these cells here from ABC to that one here. Highlight them with your left mouse. After that, navigate to data here at the top. Select sort range, not sort sheet, but sort range, and select one of these options, A to Z or Z to A. So let us start with that one, and there you go. Now the column here has been sorted alphabetically, starting with A and ending with W. And you can do the same from Z to A. Select data, sort range, and select this one here, that option. And now A, B, C, and D, F are at the very bottom of that list, guys. And of course, you can do this also for rows if you like. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.